Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing fresh mint, a ripe lime, white sugar, vodka, and ice. This ensures bright flavor and balance. First, place 0.5 cup mint and 2 tsp sugar into your glass, then squeeze the juice from the quartered lime over them. This releases citrus oils and dissolves sugar. Once done, muddle gently. Press and twist 3 to 5 times to bruise leaves without shredding, because too much tearing makes bitterness. Make sure sugar and lime mix into a paste. Now you add 2 Oz vodka directly into the muddled mint and lime. Vodka carries the aromatics and provides body. Next, fill the glass with crushed ice or cubes. Ice controls dilution rate and temperature. Then stir briskly for about 10 to 12 seconds, or shake if using a cocktail shaker, because agitation blends flavors and chills quickly. Once mixed, taste for balance. If too sharp, add a 1/4 teaspoon sugar or a splash more lime to correct acidity, adjusting incrementally. To finish, top your mixture with soda water to preferred fizz, about 2 to 3 ounces. Then gently lift 1 or 2 mint leaves over the glass and clap to release aroma before garnishing. Serve immediately in a chilled glass for peak refreshment, because carbonation and temperature fade quickly. If the drink tastes bitter, avoid overmuddling next time and stir in 0.5 tsp simple syrup to smooth flavors. If it tastes flat, use a fresher lime or add a bit more soda for brightness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.